So it's dyno day for the 300,000 mile Mustang. We're off to Exact Dyno in Tempe, Arizona to get a baseline on horsepower and torque. So here are the final results on our dyno run. And for a car with over 300,000 miles on its original drivetrain with no major engine work or rebuild work, it did pretty well. You can see that engine torque maxed out at a little over 239 foot-pounds, and horsepower was at 172, a little over 172 for rear wheel horsepower. If you factor in a 20% factor for parasitic drag from the flywheel to the rear wheels, that translates into about 287, 288, right in between there for foot-pounds of torque at the flywheel, and right between 206, 207 net horsepower at the flywheel. So fairly close to factory numbers. Those factory numbers were 225 horsepower at the flywheel and 290 foot-pounds of torque at the flywheel when the car was new. So fairly close to those factory numbers. Certainly a lot of room for improvement in terms of upping those numbers, making performance mods to increase those. But not too bad of a starting point, particularly for a car with over 300,000 miles on it.